Part 4 of 14, Prong. Create a new file. Select model template. Select the unit inches and enter the name. Prong. Click OK. Create a sketch. In XZ plane. Click OK. Select profile tool. Draw a vertical line of 0.1 inch. Angle 90°. Select the arc. Edit this radius to 0.75 inches. Decrease the dimension text height. Create a point here. Start dimensioning from the arc center to the point. Edit this vertical dimension. Enter the distance 0.21 inches from the vertical axis. Edit this dimension to 0.08 inches. Via arc. From center, select this thing. Edit this radius to 0.15 inches. Select make coincident. Select the center of the arc. Select the point. Okay. Now select offset. Select this vertical line and offset to a distance of 3.792 inches. Click OK. Convert this to reference. Create a point. Edit this dimension to 1.979 inches. Draw a arc, select town center method, select this arc, start from the sketch origin, edit this radius to 4.5 inches, select extend, select this curve, finish the sketch, select extrude to a symmetric value of 0.11 inch width, select the offset, select two-sided, set the offset value 0.01 mm to it's okay. Create a datum plane, select rectangle, select this face and select this line, select 90-degree angle orientation, click OK. Now create a sketch, in this new datum plane, click OK. Now select include, select this edge, click OK. Draw a arc, select 3-point method, start from the sketch origin, edit this radius to 0.114 inches, finish the sketch. Now type sphere, select through arc, select the last section, click OK, select subtract, select our prong and tool body, select the sphere, click OK, hide the datum plane and sketches, right click, orient view to trimetry, save the file, close all parts. This completes code D part 4 of 14 Prong.